Joe Beermaster. Today we have an Acura TSX. This is a 2010. It covers multiple years. We're doing collision repair work on it. I'm going to show you how to get this tail light out if you need to replace it or exchange it or whatever. But if you need to change a bulb, there's a little access panel in here. And you pop that out. It's around here somewhere. It's just a little piece of felt. And you can reach in there and get to those bulbs. It's very difficult to do, so you really need to take the light out. And the way we do this is through that access panel. You can take these 10mm bolts out. I think these are 8mm. Yes, 8mm bolts. There's 4 of them. And you can actually do this through the access panel, but my tech decided to take the trim panel out. There's little clips that hold it in. He wanted to make it a little easier for himself because he said it was very difficult to reach. So once we get all these 8mm bolts out there, we're going to loosen it. It's already loose. We just got to get the last one out. And then we're going to change the bulb, or actually we're going to replace the light on this one. But that's how you would get it out to change the bulbs. So let's get that last one out. Okay.
You can't get under this to pull it off around the nut, so you have to take this inner panel out.
Okay, so that made it easier. Alright, once they're all out, just basically wiggle it. Here she comes. And you can see there's little clips in there that hold the wiring in. Basically push in on that and then pull. I'm doing this with the one hand, so let's see if we can do it. There's one, and here's the other one. We're going to do that. There's the other one. And there you go. So that's out. And then if you need to change the bulb, you basically twist it out. Twist this. You can get a plier to help assist you. And I'm going to just give it a little twist. To do this without breaking it. And there you go. It came out. If you need to replace the bulb, you just basically pull it straight out of that socket. Put the new bulb in, replace it, and twist it. Each bulb has a little number on it. Once you pull it out, you can look very closely, or you can call the auto supply house and tell them what the application is for. You can tell them that it's for a 2010 Acura. And it's a TSX. And you tell them what that bulb is for. There's several bulbs in here. One's backlight, one's stop light, and looks like one's marker light. So in this case, that one would be the stop light. You tell them it's the stop light, and they will supply you with the bulb. Each one is different. And to reinstall the light is to just do the opposite way of taking it off. It's very simple. But you can do it through that access door. It's a little bit more difficult. If you need to, you take the trim down. And also, just one other thing, you may have to take this clip off too. This may have broken off from the tail light, so this comes off as well. So as you can see on this one, it does have that little, that's basically a retainer to hold the light and bumper cover in place. Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching. Joe Beermaster. I hope this helped, and please subscribe.